In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Apps and Notifications. Following that, scroll all the way down and hit Advanced. Then click on App Permissions. Now tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location, and click on green sweater next to one of your apps to deny this app access to your location. If you see this kind of pop-up, select Deny Anyway. In order to allow one of your apps access to chosen feature, just click on the same now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!